All right, guys. Now that I had these for so long, like I'm telling you, I had them for literally over a month easily, bruh. Easily I had it for over a month. But now officially today, we're gonna be doing a full review and on feet over the upcoming Air Jordan 4 Toro Bravos. Hey, a lot of people seem to be disappointed. Me personally, I don't care. These had to come into the collection. They look so fire on feet, man. Let's get into today's video. Yo, what's going on YouTube, man? Thank you guys so much for tapping back in. Your boy's back in the swing. I'm back in the groove, and like the content is just flowing now, you know what I'm saying? It's just flowing, and I think that everything is about to come together, going forward. We're just going to continue to grow and continue to bring out some good content, and of course, we're going to keep touching these early pairs, but I need you guys support. So again, if you are new here, or if you've been watching, and you ain't did that one most important thing, man, hit that subscribe button, and hit the notification bell, and I need you guys to help me with the likes, bro. Everybody watching, spam the like button. Don't hit it twice. Somebody told me they hit the like button twice, but if you hit it twice, that made the light go away. So I need you to hit the like button one time for your boy DeVintage. One time for your boy. And I'll be greatly appreciated. And again, you guys can head over to Instagram. Kind of tap in and see what I'm doing on a day-to-day basis. Usually just gym or me just posting some upcoming releases or, something of that sort with sneakers on the story. So you guys make sure y'all tap in with me over Instagram. It's always linked down below in the description box, man. So over the past couple of weeks, man, we have gotten the Air Jordan 12 Bloodlines. I should have did on feet on these, but I didn't think people was really feeling them, and I think it's just more of those personal cops for me that I won't wear for a while. And then of course we did have the Air Jordan 4 brick after bricks, and the prices are going down baby on these joints. And the same thing is following suit with another upcoming release in the Toro Bravo Air Jordan 4s. This is a release where I did not expect them to go for so low. Like I'm telling you, you can get it for under retail. Like last week, which was 2 weeks before the drop. They released this upcoming Saturday, and yeah, they're going for under retail in most sizes, which kind of tells you one or two things on the release day, bro. These things are gonna be sitting, and I'm gonna come up on YouTube on Saturday and talk about them sitting, but I don't care if they sit or sell out. I got my pair. I wanted them in the collection. This is a much anticipated release, a much anticipated pickup for your boy DeVintage. If I ain't getting nothing else this year, this is one of the 10 that I had to get and add to the collection. Again, I did throw them on feet, and I'm telling you, it looks so clean, bro. I remember always wanting these back in the day in high school. Couldn't afford them, of course, but we transitioned to 2026 and we got these guys, man. So real quick, I did want to talk about the box, and I know I'm not gonna complain about it too much, but we did get another face box with these Air Jordan 4s here. An official colorway reads Air Jordan 4 Retro, Fire Red, White, and Black. And I got them in a size 9.5, just like my brick after bricks. I feel like that true to size for me fits perfect. I don't gotta worry about no extra wiggle room or don't worry about it being too tight. So go true to size on them. On the inside, get your regular, tissue paper. Nothing crazy there. Throw that box aside and dive into these Toro Bravos. So the first thing I would like to mention, which I did mention in the early look that we did with these, is that the red is not as vibrant as we've gotten in the past with our Air Jordan 4 Toro Bravos. And I kind of sense like, right, the Air Jordan 14 Ferraris had the same issue last year. They were super washed out. They wasn't as bright as my 2014 pair, and a lot of people found that to be an issue. Like even me myself, I say, yo, why aren't they super bright? Why aren't they super suede? Why ain't they super red? You know what I mean? And that was an issue for myself as well, but they still move. Like people still gonna love the Ferraris. People still gonna love the Toros regardless of them being a lighter red. It don't matter. People are still gonna get these. So also don't let that, dissuade you from copping the shoe on a release day because of them being not as vibrant red. It's still a very nice colorway, classic colorway. One of the ones I definitely think you should add into the sneaker collection and in the rotation, man. So you got this fully washed out red on the upper, not as vibrant as the older pair, which again we all know it's a huge elephant in the room. You got this nice little nubuckish material on the entire upper. I would say like a nubuck suede, but I don't see no different strokes, man. So it's a straight nubuck suede-ish material, I guess you could say, on the upper. Really flat. The quality doesn't seem to be too bad other than the color red on the upper, which take predominantly of that entire sneaker, but the quality seems to be pretty intact, looking around the entire Air Jordan 4. The back, No Nike Airs. You got your regular Jumpman on the heel, and then checking out the tongue, you got your white Jumpman with the flight underneath. You got your typical Air Jordan 4 outsoles, midsole. You got your red and your white hit translucent air unit right there, as you can see, and you have your black netting and black laces on these Toro Bravo Air Jordan 4s. I would love to see some lace swaps. Can't wait to see the homie drop a video. But like, I want to see what, you know, all red look like. I want to see what all white look like. I think both of those will really mesh. And I feel like over the last couple years, we've been seeing more additional laces being added to some of these releases we've been getting. Not nothing like the classics or the OGs, but in terms of these newer releases, or, you know, some of these joints that Jordan Brand just come up out of nowhere and drop, they're giving us a lot of extra laces, which I feel like has kind of shifted the entire community in terms of what laces they actually do rock in their sneakers. On the insole, you got your regular all red insole with your black Jumpman on the bottom right there, as you can see. And like I mentioned in you know, a little bit earlier in the video, definitely go true to size on these. If you had to go up a half a size, I wouldn't say you can't do that, but me personally, I really think a true to size will be a good to go in your you know, your pair of Toros that you do pick up this weekend. Not really much to say about these sneakers besides, you know, the fact that we've been wanting these for so long. I'm so excited that we finally did get them, and me having them in the hand right now, it still feels so real. I wish we would have got the vibrant red, but I ain't gonna complain too much because you know, that's just one of those things where we can't perfect everything from Nike. Nike gonna definitely have some flaws here and there. They're not gonna give us that top-notch material that they give us on, you know, these collaborations. And I mentioned that in my own feed yesterday for the Air Jordan 4 Nigel. I said, bro, why can't we get this same quality, bro? The same quality we get on these special edition sneakers, these collaborations on the classics and the OG colorways. They always downgraded on the OGs and the classics. I don't understand that, but maybe Jordan, y'all listening to me. Y'all gotta step y'all game up, especially paying $215, $220 on some of these releases every single week. But that pretty much wraps up this quick review. Nothing too crazy to mention with the Toros. They're back. It's a classic. I know everybody's anticipating these joints this weekend. Cannot wait to do a release recap, and I hope y'all enjoyed this little quick review, and the on feed portion will be at the end of this video. Before we go, make sure you subscribe, hit the notification bell, run them likes up. Make sure y'all hit the notification bell so you miss on any content that we do drop on the channel, and tap in with me over on Instagram, which is linked down below, man. With all this being said, I'm gonna catch you guys in the next video. Y'all enjoy this on feed over the Air Jordan 4 Toro Bravo.
Is it Stacy? Is it Becky? Is it Keisha? Is it Ashley? Was it Danny? Is it Party? Where's the function? Where the fuck the function? Where the fuck the function? The way I feel right now, I feel like we need to be all alone. So if you just playing around, you need to tell your girl, take a fine ass home, and that's real. Stop teasing me, stop teasing me. I could change your life so easily. I keep begging you to stay, but you're leaving me, leaving me. We got sticks in the plug illegally. Got the whole 6 side, they believe in me. We got members east of the DVP. We got members west on 401. We got a lock on the game, but there's more to come. You gotta pop that ass till the morning come. You want shots for the girl, then order some. Who's calling it? Who's calling that shit? Who's calling that shit? Who's calling that shit? Who? Hey. Is it Stacy? Is it Becky? Is it Keisha? Is it Ashley? Was it Danny? Is it Party? Where's the function? Where the fuck the function? Where the fuck the function? Baby girl, let me see you do your dance, let me see you twirl. Shake an ass in the club with your homegirls. Take a pic for the gram, show the whole world. Yeah. Is that your bestie? I'ma ice both of y'all like Gretzky. I'ma ask you, like bless me. Hit the dance floor, get nasty, impress me. Baby girl, let me see you do your dance, let me see you twirl. Shake an ass in the club with your homegirls. Take a pic for the gram, show the whole world. Yeah. Is that your bestie? I'ma ice both of y'all like Gretzky. I'ma act you like bless me. Hit the dance floor, get nasty, impress me. Hey, how many hoes in this club? Is it just me and you, my love? I don't mean to call you no hoe. I just heard about the things that you do, my love. And you're just like me if it's true, my love. Hey, you can see right through my love.